Here's the sound of my female penny cicada. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see her wings at work. She doesn't have the same thing that the male does, but she still can sing pretty well. It's her singing. The male is over here somewhere. Okay, here's the male's call, y'all. Okay, here's him flying across the ground. Oh, that God, my man's. Wait, yep. Okay, here's what the male and female sound like together. Now I want to show y'all. I'm gonna delete the video I just uploaded because it wasn't as good. So let me show y'all both. Let me get both ready. So yeah, that's what that's what this male and this female sound like. Hope y'all enjoyed.